Hey guys, well, we're going to revisit Yada again, the Yada 4K dashcam that I made a video quite a while ago. The question is, how do you transfer files from this camera, and how do you connect this camera to your smartphone, whether it be Apple or Android? Well, first things first, this one here, you just have to go to your Play Store first, search for Yada. As you see, it's the same logo that the camera has on the back. Usually it shows up first. You hit install and wait for the installation to go on. And while this is being installed, we have to plug in the camera. And how we do that, I will just plug in a USB-C. It's a regular USB-C here on the deep pocket that has a USB-C, because the other one, do not plug in your computer here. This is for a backup camera feed in, not out. And let me plug this in. As you see, Yada camera turned on, and right now, as you see, it's recording. And when the app is downloaded, it opened in the app. And to set up this dash camera, first of all, you have to turn on your Wi-Fi, so make sure that is on. Then at the camera side, make sure it's not recording. In here, if it's recording and you want to stop recording, you click OK here. That started it on this case. Click again to stop it. You click the arrow up on the side here. It has a Wi-Fi symbol. You hold the arrow up, and right now it says waiting for Wi-Fi connection, and it gives you the SSID and the password. And on your Wi-Fi here, as you see, it showed up right away. And let me show you real quick. As you see here, it's showing up, and it's connected. Because I connected it before, I can click forget if you want. You just connect to Yada Wi-Fi and hit the password 1 through 8. And in the settings, in a minute, we can change that. You click Dashcam, set up the 4K Roadcam Pro, allow while using the app, allow the file transfer, and that's it. You're in the camera. That's literally all it takes. And right now, you just see as the camera is actually recording, as you see here. So, what can you do with the app? There's a lot you can do with the app, even though I myself did not use it that much. For once, you can change settings that are in the camera. Click settings here, go to video settings, and you can switch the resolution from 4K, 2K, and Full HD. I leave it in 4K because just I want to. You can change the loop, how many minutes per time it records. It's lapse record, like time-lapse record. Exposure, which is light up and down. Motion detection, I usually leave it on. Record audio, I leave it on. G sensor, that's a gravity sensor. In case, God forbid, in a time that your car, for example, rolls over or hits something that the camera detects a crash, it will start recording right away. Okay, so next one is screensaver. You can leave it 5 minutes, you can leave it 1 minute. I usually leave it a minute. It records on the background. As you saw it right there, the screen went black in the car. Even if the screen goes black, it will keep recording as long as it detects as long as it detects movement or motion. Frequency 50 hertz or 60 hertz. Beep sounds off. Boot sound, language, date and time, digital clock. You can leave. If you flip this on the screensaver, it will display the date and time here on the screen. Myself, I find it all a bit distracting, especially if you're driving at night, because it's quite bright. Here you can format the card, go to default settings, speed unit, kilometers per hour or miles per hour, date stamp, on or off. This is the version of your camera, the firmware, and here is where you can change your Wi-Fi password. That's 1 through 8. You can put a different password if you want to. I'm not gonna do that right now. On camera settings, I have to be on the car to do this one. It's not gonna do here. But what it does here, you can just switch the light and between cameras. Know that if you're in live view. And you get out of here. Let's say we are recorded, as you see right now. And in here, as you see the sign, the stop sign means that the camera is already recording. You can click the stop sign, and now it's not recording. You click it again, and now it's recording. You can do it manually from your phone. You can turn on and off your microphone. You can do the video mode or camera mode. Here you can take pictures, and you switch it again, and now you can take video. Here is where you go to files that you have already saved, that are saved on your camera, on the Dashcam. And let me just click one of them that we just did right now, for example. Looks brutal, but it is what it is for now. If you click map, it will try to show you, because that's why it made you launch or give it location permission, because it will try to match where was this video or photo taken, because it has GPS inside this camera. It's not just a camera. And from here, as you saw, we could play it or reveal the GPS location. Or you can download it straight to your phone. You just give it a second, it's downloaded over Wi-Fi. So it's grabbing that file from your camera to your phone. So that's one of the methods that you can actually use from your phone to download files, whether it be pictures or videos that you took with this camera. And it will go through everything that's inside the camera. As you see here, these are all files that are inside my camera right now. As per the app itself right now, I don't think there's much more to say. As you see here, it's just the Wi-Fi mode here ready. I can click the manual for menu and Wi-Fi off right now. You just click this arrow up, hold it for a second, and it will turn off the Wi-Fi. And as per the app, we're done. All your files that you downloaded on your phone will be at your gallery. Okay, so now, how do we transfer files from here to the computer? Unfortunately, I don't have a long style, USB-C, and this one requires a long USB-C. It's a little bit weird, but what you can do here to get to the menu to show you, in case you have that USB, click OK. As you see, it's recorded right now. Click OK to stop it from recording. Hold the top button here that says M, that's for menu. Go with the arrow down. These are all the settings you have, and this is USB mode. You can click it here. It says power on only for some reason, but if I had the proper USB, it says USB storage mode, and that's how you would go in USB mode. But my favorite method to extracting files from this camera to my PC, and the fastest and without all this hassle, is just to simply click OK here, turn off the camera itself, unplug it, and flip it back, and take the micro SD card out of the camera. It's here right on the side. I have a 32 gig, 16 gig is what they usually come with sometimes. And just plug it in one of those cheapo ones. It's just a card reader. It's nothing really that fancy. You plug it here on the reader, and that's it. Your card will show off on your computer. Let me just go here. As you see right here, these are the files inside our SD card on our SD camera. Then you can grab these files, just select, grab and drop on the folder you like, and so on. And here is the user's manual for this camera. In case you need this user's manual, I will leave a link down below on this video, so you can download it. It's obviously free, and you can either print it or save it on your phone or laptop or whatever you have. And these are the QR codes that you can either pause this video right now and scan, whichever you are, Google Play or Apple, or just download the file down in the description and go through the user's manual and find what you like to use and find how to use the Yara Dashcam Pro. It's a really good camera. I'm not gonna say much more than that because we already spoke about that on my previous video. You haven't watched it, you'll probably have it at the end of this video, linked somewhere here, I would say, on this side. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can take those videos and put them on YouTube or Twitter, Instagram, or whatever you like. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Please subscribe and like. Bye!